Alright, what's up? What's going on? Here is a quick update on this 2006 Dodge Charger Silver Bright Metallic. I'm doing a quick update on the headlights that I pretty much got hooked up from LED Concept. This LED turn sequence signal, and I'm pretty much going to show you a quick update on how it looks. I would have showed you how to install, but there's already videos out there about it. But even though they seem to be so easy how to do, to me it was really difficult. But anyways, let me just show you real quick on how it pretty much looks when it comes on. I'm gonna set the camera down real quick. Alright, here you go. It is kind of bright, but that's the way they pretty much look. And it took me like a total of, I would say, 8 hours to do so. Because it was pretty difficult for me to pop the lights open, and then I ended up painting the inside of the lights just to make pretty much everything all black. And this is the way it looks when I pretty much turn on the signals. And there you go. Pretty much turn on the emergency light instead of turning on the car. So what you guys think? It's came out pretty cool, even though it was difficult in the end. It turned out to be a good idea. So let me just do a quick update on the car. Got the whole front carbon fiber wrapped. Got the hood carbon fiber wrapped as well. Pretty much the whole top is carbon fiber wrapped. Got this 22-inch wheels. Like I said, the roof carbon fiber wrapped as well. Shark fin. Now this is what I really love. Aluminum louver. Aluminum, not plastic. And then check this out. I like this graphic that my sponsor pretty much hooked me up just to make my car different than every other charger that you see out there. I've never seen any charger with this type of carbon fiber design or a spoiler like this carbon fiber wrapped, as well as the whole trunk all the way around. This is pretty much the Car Club RE% 951 Mopars. Over here on the IE Island Empire. And that's pretty much a walk around the car. I'm gonna give you a quick walk, a quick show you a little bit of the inside. I got this halo lights. Trying to focus on it, but there you go. It's just that they're bright. They're really, really bright. I got pretty much everything in the whole in here, pretty much wrapped carbon fiber as well. That's pretty much the inside. The back. Got my seat down. I got some L7s. That pretty much kick. I mean, if you know about L7 kickers, you know what I'm talking about. Let me pretty much show you the trunk. I got this already here all wrapped myself. I mean, you pretty much lose all the trunk space. But if you want a sound system, this is pretty much what happens. This is pretty much what happens. You lose all this trunk space. I don't know if I'm walking too fast around the car, but well, here you go. A 2006 Dodge Charger. And next step, I'm gonna install, well, not me, but I'm gonna get airbags. I like the low range springs, don't get me wrong, I really do, but I don't know, I always wanted to see my car on airbags. So if you guys got Dodge Chargers with airbags, let me know what you guys think about the ride. If you guys are happy with it, or I shouldn't go with airbags, let me know. Alright, fellows, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching this long ass video. But like I said, I was just doing a quick update on this LED concept sequence turn signals, just in case anybody's interested. I would say go for it. It gives it a different look. Everybody's giving me props. Everybody likes it. So, like I said, go for it. Alright, man.
Oh, DJ Khaled, Convict Music. We the best. Yeah, we taking over. Listen.
Spread out with it. South Carolina, Alabama, Mississippi, on the North Carolina, Philadelphia, Virginia. From down in Miami where it warm in the winter, on up to Minnesota where it storm in the winter. Jacksonville, Tallahassee, Memphis, 10, holla at me. B&H Town, Southside, Cloverland, Daddy, I'm the man out in Dallas. Better ass Cali, Catman and Cali with my eyes open valley. Blowing and spinning, going down Vinny. Drop 643, wheel here switching. Red light stop, make it drop for the bitch. Out Block 4-5, blow your head out with it. Anything you hear that I said, I meant it. Kane got the crown, then spit out with it. Say you need bricks, I said I get it.
If you want to, we